Okay, we're going to continue with equations here, and we're going to do a couple problems in this video. Now, what you'll notice about these equations is that there is a variable on both sides. So you can follow along here on your own sheet of paper. Notice I've also drawn my two bars here, right? So there's my equal sign, and we see that there's a variable on both sides, right? Now, I'm going to use a strategy that we've used before with highlighting the coefficient, right? And so by doing that, it kind of jumps out, right, that on each side of my equation I have this variable, and next to those variables are the coefficient. Another strategy is anytime I see a minus, I'm gonna change that to plus and negative. Okay? Cool. Now, the first thing you should do when having a variable on two sides is you should get the variable to just one side of the equation, right? So here I'm going to subtract 3x from each side, right? What that does is a 3x minus 3x, that's a 0x, right? So I would just be left with a 5. I'm going to bring the 5 down here. All right. Now here, I'm going to bring my plus and negative 1 down, and I have a 6x minus 3x, which is 3x. All right. Now, here, let's do the same thing for our other problem here, where I'm going to add a 5x. Right. So I had a negative 5x, and I'm adding the opposite. So negative 5x plus 5x is just 0. I'm left with this 4 that I'm going to bring down. I'm going to bring down this plus 9 here. And I have a 2x plus a 5x. That's 7x. Right? Okay. What you'll notice, by moving the variable to one side in both cases here, we really just have a two-step equation then. So the two-step equations were our previous assignment, and now we're solving equations with variables on both sides. But remember, math kind of builds on itself. We had one-step equation, two-step. Here we have variables on both sides. By moving the variable to one side, really what we're looking at now are our two-step equations, right? Again, I'm going to highlight my coefficients. So that just tells me that, I have a lot of numbers here. Some of them are coefficients, though. We're going to start with the constants. I'm going to add 1, right, to each side here. Negative 1 plus 1 is 6. Bring down the 3x. Right? And for my last step, I'm going to divide by 3. Using that inverse operation here. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. Same thing here. Here, I'm going to add a negative 9. We're going to add the opposite. All right? So 9 plus a negative 9 is 0. Here, bring down that 7x. Right? Here I get a 5. And I'm going to divide by 7. Now, 7 does not go into 5. So it is okay to leave your answer as a fraction here. Okay? All right, so you should have done the Google form on Google Classroom, and there is a Khan assignment with equations on variables on both sides. Thanks for watching.